Fanvil has released the new V62 Pro Prime business phone. It integrates a Bluetooth wireless handset innovatively, providing you with a convenient and efficient calling experience. It supports wireless handset pairing. Simply place the Bluetooth wireless handset on the phone, and the system will automatically detect and connect it quickly, allowing you to get started easily without complex manual setup. The Bluetooth wireless handset offers you a free, smooth calling experience, enabling you to get rid of cables and making workplace communication more efficient and convenient.